Are you feeling lazy and you don't want to work, but you still need that money? Well, in that case, this video is perfect for you. Today, I have an extremely easy way for you to get paid online big time. And it's all thanks to a website I found online that basically does the work for you so you don't have to and get paid nonetheless, even if you are a complete beginner who's never made money before. So, if this interests you, then be sure to keep watching because I will explain everything. With all that said, let's now get right into this tutorial. Today, I have a very good passive income strategy to share that really has a lot of potential. And as a bonus, it's not too complicated. There's literally just three platforms involved. That's it. The very first website you'll now want to head over to is an affiliate marketplace, and which one you go for doesn't change anything. Whether it's ClickBank, Digistore24, perhaps some CPA marketplace like CPA Lead, which I have shown previously, by the way, which affiliate website you go for does not matter one bit. Now, the website I'll be going with as an example today should probably not be surprising by now. It's Digistore24.com, my favorite affiliate marketplace. What you now have to do, guys, is really quick sign up to the affiliate marketplace that you've chosen, or Digistore24 here if you went along with me. In my particular case, I'd have to first click on this button to sign up free of charge, and then type in all of my info as usual. When you log into your new account over on Digistore24, this is how everything will now look. On the left-hand side, I can pick a category that I want to focus on, while right here, I can pick a product that I want to promote. And now, guys, regardless if you went with this website here or not, your next step will be the same and will be very important, actually. Pick a category that you want to focus on. You don't want to just promote anything. You want to make sure that what you're promoting is in a certain category that is also popular. If you're promoting something as an affiliate that not many people would buy, then you, as a result, won't be able to make that much money. The category I went for, as an example, which is a very good one too, is the health one. And I can now find a bunch of these products to promote. And when picking a product, it's important that you have criteria. You want at least 50% commissions, and you also want the product not to be too expensive nor too cheap. Now, here things can get a bit tricky because products in different categories have varying prices. For example, if you are promoting something in the business niche, if it costs like $100, that won't be too expensive by any means. But in the event that you promote something in the health niche, if it were to cost the same $100, then that actually would be too expensive. So just compare the prices of the products you see on your screen, guys, to check if the one you want has a decently good price both for you and the customer. When you find a good one on Digistore24, to grab its link, all you need to do is click on the Promote Now button right here. And what I did was I found this product that is weight loss related and grabbed its link, since weight loss is a pretty good niche to focus on most definitely. With that finally done, though, now that you have the link comes the hard part, getting traffic. And the next two platforms I will share with you will allow you to basically set this up on autopilot to make money in passive income without doing anything. So stay tuned to find out how. The very first site I need you to go over to now is one you probably haven't heard of before called Anyword.com. And what this website is, you can all see right here. Copywriting AI with predictable results. So, this, in essence, with a bit of input from your end, will generate an entire blog post for you without you writing a single thing. And that's what makes this site so powerful. Now, just before we go on, let me make it clear that this platform isn't free, but it does offer a free trial. And by using this free trial, as I will show you soon, you'll be able to make some money in the process without actually investing any to begin with. And then you will actually have the money to invest into the platform to use it in the long run and make more money from other affiliate offers. With that out of the way, though, what I need you to do now is sign up to this website free of charge by doing one of the following. Type in your email in this box here and click on Start for Free, after which they will request more info from you as usual. Or just click on the Sign Up with Google to connect one of your existing Google accounts with the website, which is, of course, what I'd recommend you do and what I've done myself. When you log into your new account on the website, this is how things will look. And your next step from here would be to generate a blog post that is all about that topic you went for way back on either Digistore 24 or some other affiliate marketplace. For example, if you decided to go with the business niche, you want a blog post all about business. If you went with a make money online topic, you want a blog post about making money online. Or in my case, if you went with the health niche, you want a blog post all about losing weight. And how this blog post will relate to you making money online, I will show you later on. For now, though, what you need to do is click on Blog Wizard on the left-hand side here, and then you'll be able to create a new project by clicking on this button, and that is what I want you to do now. What you will then go ahead and do, I've already done so myself, so I can explain this a bit easier, guys, and that is to create your blog post all about your niche, as I mentioned before. To do it first, what you'll have to do is type in the title in this box, and I've typed in How to Lose Weight. From there, you will need to type in the industry. In my case, once again, that's the health industry, so that's what I typed in. Next, what you will need to do is choose a title which this website will generate for you based on what you typed in these two boxes above. And you will simply go ahead and choose one that you like the most. From here, magic happens. They will generate an intro paragraph for you, which you will be able to customize if you so wish, or choose another one. And whatever you do from here doesn't change the end result. You will have an entire blog post done for you. And just a reminder, you didn't have to write anything more than like 10 words to make it all happen. It can't get any easier than that. And now finally comes the part where this site ties in with the affiliate offer you found from before. What I did myself here is I added call to actions promoting my offer in this article. And I think you all now can see the power in this. Imagine someone who wants to lose weight is reading this and comes across my call to action saying, if you want the best products to lose weight, then click here. Chances are that person may very well check out what I am promoting. And depending on the niche you guys go for, a single purchase can make you anywhere from $20 all the way up to $100, if not more in certain cases. So this has huge potential and can make you so much money with affiliate marketing than if you just promote your affiliate link directly. So now the only thing you need is a traffic source. And I have a fantastic one to share with you. This one here called Steemit.com. This website is basically a place where people share different blog posts with one another. If you go over to SimilarWeb, you'd see that this site got over 2 million visits in the past month. So this goes to show you that it's actually a popular platform too, which is of course important for you. And so what you will want to do is basically register to this website free of charge and share your blog post that you created a moment ago. And of course, depending on your niche, you will give it a good title. In my case, I type in something like, "This blog helped me lose weight," or "This is the best weight loss article you can find." Something along those lines, basically. And I just leave the blog post on the website, and literally thousands of people may see it. And you guys only need dozens to make purchases for you to earn thousands of dollars in basically passive income. And since your post will be here forever, you can even expect purchases for the months that are to come. So the potential to make a lot of money here is huge, to say the least. And once your post starts going under the radar a bit, what you can do is just repeat the process that I've shown you in this video and share another blog post. And you can just keep doing this over and over again to get paid. So, just as promised, this is definitely a lazy way to earn money online. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then be sure you leave a like down below to support my channel. And so you don't miss out on any of the future content that is sure to come, subscribe and ring that bell icon so you get notified whenever a new video goes live. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in some of the upcoming videos.